2 for 1.
No!
Oh, you try to do 2?
Alyssa, so what does this do?
What does this do? Well, it exercises the body and mind at the same time. We're learning a new activity that most people probably never do. And
Awesome.
we're having fun as a group. And I think, you know, anything that we can do in the physical world instead of getting on the computer is worth doing.
Thank you. That's awesome. It looks fun.
Thank you.
Freeze good. Try again.
Because that, you know, that actually builds new neurons in our brains, right?
That's right. That's
Every time
right.
we're doing activities. I really enjoy this. I mean,
Yay!
Oh, keep out.
That's like in basketball when it gets stuck between the rim and the backboard.